Here's how you can fix aspect ratio issues. Let's say you want to blend two images, one in 9:16, portraits, and the other in 16:9, widescreen. The trick is simple. The output will always match the last image you upload. For example, if I upload the 16:9 image first and then the 9:16 portrait, I don't need to specify the aspect ratio in the prompt. The result will come out 9:16 because that was the last upload. So, if you want a 16:9 output, just do the reverse. Upload the portrait first, then the widescreen. The final result will be 16:9, again because the last image sets the ratio. In short, when using images of different sizes, Nano Banana always defaults to the aspect ratio of the last uploaded image. Practice makes perfect. The more you try it, the easier it gets. If this was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to join us. Check the pinned comment for the full Nano Banana tutorial and stay tuned because in my next video, I'll show you how to make short AI films. Thanks for watching.